Some educational psychologists study learning how a person comes to know something. Others concentrate on motivations. What makes a person behave in one way rather than another? Still, other educational psychologists try to find out more about socialization, how a person learns to get along in society. No matter what subjects or kind of problem they investigate, educational psychologists tend to use two major approaches to their work: the deductive and the inductive method. The scientific nature of educational psychology. Science can be defined as a systematic and controlled science study of phenomena, that is, fact or happenings, based on logical thinking and the observation and analysis of visible evidence.